Hello, Stickasaurus here, and today we're going to start work on Kiramai Silver model by 3 Command Center. It's beautiful. He's got it all split up in pieces. So I'm going to sports off. Once everything's printed, we'll see how it fits, and we'll go from there. So for this particular horn, we printed it in resin, hollow, because I couldn't get the print solid. And to get the effect we got, shout out to McFly, he found the pattern. It's called Broken Glass Glitter. We got some vinyl. We taped it on, well, adhered it onto the horn. I put a clear coat of Jolie resin on it, cured it, and now we're going to tint it blue, and hopefully it turns out okay. So here goes nothing. Scrape to clear, we're going to get the crystals glued on, probably super glue them, should be super easy, super quick. And then we'll get the magnets, elastic, and we'll get to the spin around!
wow. I absolutely love this thing. I'm so pumped for how it turned out. It might have been sitting here for 2 years, but I'm glad because one, we didn't have resin printing before. Immensely helpful, but didn't help for everything. Again, this top horn we wrapped with the shattered mirror vinyl, which we use for all that. Shout out to McFly for helping me find that. Super important that we found that. It's the perfect pattern for the Kiramager helmets. It's better than using a piece of tissue paper my daughter got in a Christmas present 2 years ago. That's what I was going to use. But he found this and it's perfect. Covered it in resin and tinted it, and I think it turned out rather well. It's not as nice as the actual gem. So we did put it behind, but I think it worked pretty well. I don't know a better way to quite do that. Maybe if you cut the bottom off and put the vinyl on the inside. It's a possibility, but we made it work with this. I think it turned out awesome. I kind of wish the goggles did move, but maybe it just gives us an opportunity to make a new one in the future. Everything turned out well. We did get that glue run on top. If you're watching stream, I was having a breakdown about it. I was so happy with this thing, and then that happened. But I hope you enjoyed this. I know we've been putting up the Kiramagers for so long, but this gave me the confidence and desire to do the rest. Red replacement for my old one is literally in the works, and I'm working on 2 yellows. One's for customer. That was kind of the catalyst for getting this rushed and finished, was just trying to figure out how to do the gems so I could do them right for the customer. So those 2 are definitely coming. I'm going to fast track a green because it's kind of the one I always wanted when I wanted to do the Kiramagers. So we'll see. And then we'll get to the other ones eventually, I promise. Maybe we'll even do a gold one of this. I don't know. We'll see. The possibilities are endless. But I hope you'd enjoy this. You know, as always, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplays and Props, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, twice a day. Check out the Patreon $1 tier. Come hang out. We're doing a lot of great things over there. Check out the merch store. Lots of cool shirts, mugs, keyboard, mugs, coffee cups, whatever you're into. And check out the Discord. Come hang out. Come make some friends. But as always, I'm Stickasaurus. I'll see you next shine.